We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
You're good? Mm-hmm. Are we addressing anything specific?
Mm-mm.
No? Shall we stretch a little bit? Push, pull, adjust it? Alright, you're all for it. Alright, jump on, my friend. Alright. We'll keep your arms right here. Nice and simple. There we go. Perfect. And we'll do one more. Yes. So it depends kind of on the child's age, but some of them we can treat them as adults like you, my friend. There we go. Nice. Yeah, just a little bit in here. They won't move so well. Let's go this way.
Okay.
All right, let's go onto your side facing this way. There we go. All right, let's say move all the way towards me. Perfect. Going to do the same thing like that. And the nice thing is you will recover a lot faster than just about anybody else. Let's go over to this one. Wait, did I see a smile underneath that mask? Yeah? All right. Bottom leg straight. Perfect. Same thing. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. There we go, man. All the way. Perfect. You notice how this popped right before we even had to push, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go on your back. Big bear hug. I'm gonna modify just slightly. There we go. Perfect. Let's give you a big bear hug. Nice and easy. Now one more. Perfect. Nice and gentle. In there. All right, let's take a look. Oh, one more right in here. Perfect. I think right in here too. Perfect. All right, grab onto the sides. Since we're a soccer player, actually, if you grab on right here like this, you're gonna be much more comfortable, okay? Since we're a soccer player, we gotta take care of your feet, right? Nice and easy. Perfect. Same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3. That was much easier, wasn't it? That one didn't take much. All right, let's say you sit up, my friend. Go ahead, move around, walk around, see how you feel. Good?
Yeah.
All right, my rock star. Perfect.